Ninja Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. Segment me, Kwan Leb Acholi. I'm Jack Manikang Caught. Welcome back to the show. Please make sure to share this live, engage with the platform, follow us on YouTube. We are on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi. Follow us on TikTok. We are on TikTok as Chahagi Kang South Sudan. We are also on Facebook as Chahagi Kang South Sudan. On Facebook, I just post mostly personal content, but I do post these recordings on that page as well. The official page on YouTube, I'm sorry, not on YouTube, on Facebook is Chahagi Leb Acholi. Please go like that page, follow that page, watch us on YouTube, share on your social media pages. If you would like to be a guest, please also send me a private message or a direct message, a DM. You can also leave a comment under this video if you'd like to discuss anything regarding the Acholi people, any clans, and if there's something that I'm reading is incorrect, if you would like to add anything, please also send me a message or leave a comment under this video or any video, and we'll be able to respond or get back to you. Okay, so I have been reading on the Ofirika clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Please go watch previous readings, previous lives or recordings to come up to speed with what's going on and what we are reading and what we're covering. You can also go to our YouTube channel and watch all of the recordings from the very first videos that we posted. Okay, so this platform is an Acholi platform. I do leave comments in English because we have viewers from different parts of the world. Not just Acholi people and not just Luo people. Okay, so I read it in Acholi because the text is in Acholi, and I leave comments in English. I try to leave comments in English so everyone can understand what I'm reading. The entire text that I'm reading is written in the Acholi language of the Acholi people of present-day South Sudan, written by Setonino Nyala. Once I finish this textbook, which is called Tekwara Pachulimi South Sudan, which means the cultural history of the people of South Sudan, I will then start looking for other texts in Acholi and start reading that. The purpose of this platform is to learn about the Acholi people, learn the language, their origin and migration, and any challenges within their communities globally up until this point. Okay, I do host guests from time to time. If you would like to be a guest, please send us a message for my tech. I'm learning Acholi. I'm learning how to read Acholi. I'm learning how to write Acholi. So please bear with me as I learn. Learn with me if you're learning as well. Apua. So I'm reading on Ofirika. I have one more clan to read about, which is the Maghreb clan of the Acholi people of present-day South Sudan, after I conclude the reading on Ofirika. Okay, so today I will be reading on the two subclans, which is Ramorok and Iyere. Okay, I wanted to just read on Ramorok today, but it looks like it's only like a paragraph and a half. So I said, why not? Because the reading on Iyere is also just a paragraph or maybe about, I don't know, 8 lines. So I wanted to read both of them. It's just one page. And then tomorrow night, I will conclude the reading on Ofirika with the reading on Agulukot Mi Ofirika, which basically means the rainmakers of Ofirika. Okay, so today I'm reading on Ramorok and Iyere. So you get 2 for 1 today. Okay, I'll try to read as fast as I can, and I'll try to leave a comment in English for those who may not understand Acholi or understand Acholi so well, and also the Luo speakers who may want to understand Acholi as well. Okay, thank you so much. Please like, comment, share the live, engage. Apuamatek. Okay, so just jumping into the reading on the Romorok or Ramorok subclan. Ajojo choningo, jo Ramorok tiegi dok ot achiel magi luongo bene ni Ramoro. Okay, dano mi dok ot man duchu bino gi lo wudo e lo tuko pi lo kom kech. Okay, ento Muhammadin odonyo kwede iloba chule mi Sudan wape wang'eyo. Kit ma wabedo ka neno ne malo kany, jo Ramorok owuoro kaachiel gi dano mi Lochorak. Pien gin omego gi limego la dit imoyi aye okelo dano mi Ramorok gi dano mi Lochorak o Lochorak ing'om mi Ofirika. Ento lo dir Ofirika mokene chalo Abraham Polino Atare owacho ni jo Ramorok aye ochako donjo ing'omi Ofirika ka dano mi Loduleng wala Ladulang obedo dano mi ariyo mi maolobo kogi. Jo Lochorak obino la chien totual gin olubo ng'e omego megi. Mana ye gin ma oweko tin jo Ramorok odogo wiri ng'om mi Ofirika. Dano kene obino ogere kumgi dok bong. Chon gi chon dano mi tim chon gi chon dano ma tin waluongo ni Ramorok gino nongo pe gi luongo kumgi nying man onongo pe gi luongo gin gi nying man. Ento gi luongo gin ni dano mi lowudo jo lowudo. Chila chen gin onongo nying manyien gi kom got Ramorok. Okay? Man bene gin ma weko dano mi lowudo tin olungo kumgi ni jo Ramorok. Okay, what do you think? If you're from Ramorok, leave a comment. Ubino ki lowudo in Lotugo. Lotugo is another tribe in present-day South Sudan. Leave your comments. They're saying you guys were led by Chief Imoyi with the people of Lochorak. Okay? Yala, ningo, regarding Timgi got Romorok, okay? Land rights and mountains of the Ramorok people. Achojo choningo. Jo Ramorok tiegi team achiel magilungo ni team Ifel, okay? Giku marach lo diro ma obedo ka penyo gin kilok mi tekwar pa jo Ofirika gin pe ng'eyo nying dano machon gi nying dano manyien ma obedo ka koro chiriba mi team Ifel. Okay, if you know jomogi koro chiriba mi team any, we'll leave your comments. Wachoj bon no information any. Yala ningo. Tekwaro Pachuli wajani jo Ramorok peregi got ento gintie gi jok ma gilungo jok ajilimit lo dirami Ofirika mo bedo ka penyo bene pegi ngeo nying dano ma lo yuk wang jok ajilimit atamani ka imiro niang matut pilok ma dok ikom jok team mi Ramorok Kwan second edition mi bookman. So he concludes the reading on Ramorok. They came from Lowudo, and part of the Lotugu tribe of present South Sudan, together with the Lochorak people. They are considered the founding fathers. No, they came with the Lodulang, I believe. So no, they came first. Ramorok came first, and then the Lodulang came second. Okay, and then came the Lochorak people to Ofirika. Okay, so but they're still considered Wiringom, meaning the founding fathers of Ofirika, or in that territory of Ramorok. Okay, regarding the land rights and any mountains, they're saying here that they have land rights to a land called Ifil, the area called Ifil, IFIL. Um, and then they also say that uh, they also have a spiritual power or deity that is called Jok, Ajilimit, Jok, Ajilimit. Okay. Uh, so they don't have the name of the people in charge of uh, giving offerings to their Jok or giving offerings to their spiritual power. And so now regarding the Iyere people, regarding the subclan called Iyere. Iyere, jo Iyere tie gi dok ot achiel ma giluongo bende ni Iyere. Te kwar pachuli wacho ni dano mi dok ot mi Iyere ducho bino gi Lowai e Lokoya. So Jomi Iyere gibino gi Lokoya, which is another tribe in present-day South Sudan. Okay, they come from there. Gino weho lobo Lokoya, hilok mi kich gi lweny ma obedo ka yelo dano tutwal I Mohamacha. Ento, pe wang'eyo nying ladit ma okwanyo lwak mi Iyere gi Lowai okelo I Leb Acholi mi Sudan. Okay. Jo Iyere obine onongo dano mi Ofirika mokene dong tie I kom got Ramorok. Ramorok. Am I saying that correctly? Who help me, please? And forgive me, katia kwanane incorrectly. God, Ramorok. Gino gero kum gi dano megi dok bong. Gino gero kum dano megi dok bong. So they came as foreigners and found other people there in Mount Ramorok or God Ramorok, where other people were settled. Okay, so ana bene ageno ni wabi nyang lok madung madorikom dano mi Iyere is second edition mi bookman. So he didn't find a lot of information on Iyere and Ramorok. He's saying hopefully he will be able to find more information that he will write about in the second edition of this current book. So he can elaborate more on the Ramorok and the Iyere subclans, including other subclans or clans that he was not able to find information on. Mind you, he was conducting this research during the time of war in Sudan, during the civil war of Sudan, that ran from 1955 to 2005. Okay, Yella, regarding Timgi got Iyere, regarding land and mountains of the Iyere people. Do they have any land rights? Do they have any significant mountains belonging to the Iyere people? What did he say? It's only 2 lines? Oh no, it's a paragraph actually. So like you're joining on it. Jo Iyere tiegi team achiel mana ye team kituru odirami Ofirika ma obedo ka lok kwedgi owacho bora ni gin pe ng'eyo nying dano ma obedo lakot chiriba mi achiel yala mi team mi achiel mi team kituru. Okay, and to gino wacho bora ni ing'e to pa lacho man what? Lacho matiyo ka kor chiriba lakini ging'eyo nyinge ko. So ing'e to pa lacho man ma dano pe ng'eyo nyinge timo dong bot lo tirigil. Ing'e to pa lo tirigil timo dong bot dako mere ma nyinge lo tiri. Dako ma nyinge lo tiri timo dong ire to take charge of, okay? Ing'e to pa lo tiri dako pa lo tirigil timo dong bot wore lo muke lo muk wala lo muke. Okay? Watin ma tie ka choy bookman lo muk wala lo muke aye ma lama dok reo dwa meeting kituru jo Iyere pere gi got nyo gi jok. So regarding the Iyere people, he's saying that the Iyere people came from Lokoya, which is another tribe in present-day South Sudan. They came to Ofirika, or where Iyere is located, because of famine and people fighting over obviously food and other power struggles. Okay. They were led into that section of Ofirika, um, but they don't know who led them there. Okay, they don't know the name of uh, the person that led this group from Lokoya to present day Iyere Ofirika. Okay, so they came later and settled with the Ofirika people as foreigners. So they don't have any land rights. They don't have any land. They don't have any significant mountains. They don't have a spiritual power or deity or god that they worship. Okay, so they settled there as foreigners. Okay, um, they do have land, which is Team Kituru. Okay, they do have land, one land called Kituru, but they don't have um, a spiritual god or power, and they don't have any mountains, basically. Okay, so they settled there and they became part of Ofirika. Okay, and that pretty much ends the reading on the Ofirika people. Okay, the Ramorok and the Iyere people came from two different places. Ramorok coming from Loudo or Lotubo, a different tribe in Sudan or present-day South Sudan, and Iyere comes from Lokoya. Okay, they came because of famine, other power struggles, and they settled in Ofirika. That concludes it. Tomorrow I will read on the Agulukot Mi Ofirika, which is the rainmakers of the Ofirika clan, the Choli tribe of present-day South Sudan. Okay, thank you so much. What do you guys think? Leave your comments, share, engage with the platform. What do you think about the reading on Ramorok and Iyere of the Ofirika people? Mind you, there's also an Iyere clan or subclan in other parts of the Acholi uh, people, like territories as well. Okay, leave your comments on a poem. My name is Jacqueline Kangakot. Please like, comment, share, follow us on Facebook, which the official platform is Chaka Leb Acholi. My personal platform, I'm also posting and airing there. It's Chaka Come South Sudan. And our YouTube page is Chagi Kang. I'm sorry, Chagi Leb as well. Okay, Anapua Matek, please, until tomorrow. Apua, have a good night and join me again tomorrow. Bye bye.